We are going to begin reading Rikki, Tikki, Tavi by Rudyard Kipling this week, and this is just some background information and some terms that will come up that we need to know. To start, the story is set in India during the late 1800s, and at that time, Great Britain ruled over India, so some of the terms that we hear are very English terms. One of those terms being a bungalow. That is just an airy house, kind of like what we would think like a big porch that the British families that were in India lived in, including the family that is in our story. And the main character of our story is a mongoose. And if you lived in India, you would know about the mongoose, and that the mongoose and cobra are natural enemies, kind of like what a cat and dog is to us. The mongoose and the cobra will fight to the death. Just an example of the mongoose and cobra and how the mongoose fights a cobra and wins. Here is a short video clip of the mongoose and cobra battling. So since our main character is a mongoose, there's a lot of personification going on in the story. And just as a reminder, personification is when a writer gives human qualities to an animal, object, or idea. He uses personification in Rikki Tikki, and that allows you to imagine what the animals think, feel, and say about each other. And just an example of personification in the story, Rikki says, well, his tail begins to fluff up, and he makes the comment, marks or no marks, do you think it is right for you to eat fledglings out of a nest? So as you read, I want you guys to think about or take note of some examples of personification that happen in the story.